What's up, guys? This is the Resilient Father, and thank you for coming to my channel. Today, I just wanted to show you my vision board right here. Um, so I know this is a lot going on, and I want to go give my explanation. And this is more of like in 1 year's time or 6 months' time, I kind of want to go back and reflect on where I am. So today is July 4th, actually, July 4th, 2020. So yeah, let's go and get started. Before I go, gonna show you the gold. I actually got this one yesterday with these silver coins. But all right. So all right, let's pretty much start from left to right, I guess. Here, I know some of you guys might not be cool with stuff like this, but I recently been getting into guns, especially since the coronavirus stuff has been going on. And I wanted to build an armory. I love, first time I shot a gun was only a few months ago, and it's freaking amazing. I want to start building. Love building guns and making guns and having a collection and just be able to shoot it like a being able to be like a really good marksman. All right, so I want to be able to build an armory and have like a wall system set up like that. And over here, this is like the Korean alphabet. I want to be able to master Korean. I'm pretty good at Korean. I'm pretty fluent, I would say, but I'm not a master at it. I want to be able to get there. And over here, I guess I'll do all of these three. I want to be able to make, multiple Shopify stores. And you see here, this is like an extension of the wall, but this is like 1 day of sales. It'll be like this much. Kind of want to have like, be making at least 2,000 a day or 10,000, 10,000 a day. That'd be amazing. And in a year's time, having over 2 million in sales, that would be so amazing. And I'm trying to really get into this e-commerce stuff and just making millions and millions of dollars online. Just the comfort of my home, not having to be anywhere and being forced to be anywhere, and have active income. I'd rather have passive income. Even though maybe the margins might be low or it could be high, depends on the product. I could be making it for the comfort of my home. And of course, eBay and Amazon. Right now, I am working on eBay store right now, trying to extend it from my family's business and trying to put stuff online. And so that's what I'm trying to do. So far, it's working. And I have like some little goals, like make 1,000 a month, like 1,000 in sales, 10,000 in sales, and eventually making 10,000 a month on eBay sales and things like that. I'm trying to build up. But yeah, and eventually then I'll get into Amazon because Amazon is a whole new game part. But yes, and so I'm doing this simultaneously right now. I have a mentor for Shopify, pay for a course. And he's gonna help me build up a site and stuff. But all right, and this this is kind of ambitious for me, right? I blocked out the name, but this is $50,000 from the universe. This is the secret, the check that you can print online, as you can see right there. And this is like in 1 month time. I really want to make $50,000, okay, in pretty much 1 month time. I know that sounds ambitious, but I have a feeling that my Shopify store is going to take up. I don't know what it is. I just have a really good feeling. I think I really think it's going to happen. So right here are a bunch of books that I piled on. I really enjoy reading. And so just for me to just be more in depth, like I have like another list of like vision and goals. Kind of want to be able to read like 1,000 books or 2,000 books, maybe even 10,000 books. Be like Tai Lopez and read one book a day. But that's kind of like the mindset I have as well. And all right, and these two pictures, the private jet. I want to be able to own my own private jet, so I can travel anywhere, anytime I want. If you can see like this, I don't really drink, but I want to live in luxury and be able to travel anytime I want to. And these stuff are some old scratch offs that I didn't win anything from, but like I kind of like cut off like one piece. If you can see, this is like one piece, and this is like a second piece, and I like match up the numbers, so like I look like I won $50,000. So either I win $50,000 from the lottery, or $50,000 from doing Shopify, which I will really love. Okay, so now let's head down here. This is a Dodge Challenger. This is one of my dream cars that I really want. I want this to be like pretty much my first car. Either I paid for completely, or I'm leasing, or and I'm gonna like modify it. I have a certain way I want to modify it. And this is like a matte black. I really like this matte black. I don't really like the shiny one, but this matte black plus these wheels look so amazing, and that's what I want. And here, this is like another gun thing. It's like a gun safe that I want as well. Be able to put, this is funny how there's a camera equipment and stuff in there. Be able to put camera equipment, money, um, like a bunch of gun stuff, maybe jewelry and stuff like that. And over here, this is something I found on the internet. Right, this is like a bank receipt of someone's like bank statement. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like it says like this guy's checking account or current balance is like $12 million, and he writes like, oh, anything is possible. You guys can achieve this too. And like I was like, when I read that, I was like, wow, I was really inspired. So I like printed that out. I mean, I didn't have the actual receipt. I just found this picture online, but I thought, okay, I'm gonna be a multi-billionaire. So I want to have something like that. So one day I'm gonna be able to print out a bank receipt and have the same number, if not even more. Over here, I wanted to always travel, especially doing stuff like backpacking or doing like camping or survival stuff, and that's something that I want to be able to do. Walking on the mountains and stuff like that would be amazing. Over here, this is like one day I want to be able to build like my dream home. It's kind of like it's gonna be like a homestead kind of home, right? Like cabin home. This is also like maybe the other side of it's gonna be like that. That's what I want. Not I'm not trying to make money to get away from everybody. That's what I'm trying to do. All right, and this one is like the Mega Millions. Right here, I even wrote down $20 million. Either I win $20 million from the lottery, or from success from my shops. And I kind of want it from the shops, but hey, $20 million, I would not mind that as well. Okay, so let's go in here. So these are the like how strong I want to be, like being able to do 20 pull-ups consecutively, like 5 times in a row. Like this is like all my strength, like fitness goals. Being able to do 20 handstand push-ups, like no wall, 10 full planche push-ups. Pretty much this is like no legs push-ups in the air push-ups. Be able to deadlift like 1,000 pounds. I want to be able to do that. Oh, and this is floor to rise with no hands. I don't know if you guys are like dancers or break dancers. You guys know like people that can just get up from the ground just using their legs. They're like completely on their back, and then like completely on their back, and then they go like and then they rise up like that. So something like that. I want to be able to be strong enough to do that. We're here 50 single leg squats. That's like one-legged squats. Just doing it 50 times consecutively. And here to have like a 30-inch waist. And see right here I wrote knife combat speed. So there's like this guy on like YouTube. His name is DKU, I believe, and he's like so fast, and he was like doing like knife combat stuff, and I want to be able to be that fast. I've met people that are that fast. Especially when I was, in my acting career, doing like stuntman stuff. It was a short career. I just did a few things, but I met people that were like kung fu champions, and they were so fast. Like every single reaction I would do, they will block it every single time, and I was like, I could not believe how fast they were, and I want to be able to be that fast. And over here, I love James Bond. I always thought James Bond was very stylish and suave, gets all the ladies, of course, and I wanted to have certain suave and style just like James Bond, and that's like kind of like what I strive for. Here, this is the Bible. I want to be able to recite the Bible, be really, my relationship with God. I want to be much closer with God, and but also like understand His Word, and I want to be able to recite the Bible by memory, like every single line and letter. And here, this is kind of like how I want my dream office to have. I think like I will probably have like my desk in front of all of that, but having like a walk-in safe with those guns and having those books and little trinkets and stuff like that. So there's that. All right, and this guy, I don't know how to say his name, but he's kind of famous on Instagram. He has like, I don't know, like 50, like I don't know, like he's like 50, over 50 years old, and he looks like this. I don't know if he's on steroids or anything like that or whatever, but this is goals right here. I want to, first of all, I want to have this body, and I want to be looking this good. This guy kind of looks like me too, but I want to be able to look this good and be this fit soon and maintain that till the day I die. So that's that. This is also the Russian alphabet. I want to be able to master Russian as well. But all right, so that's pretty much my vision board, guys. Lots of amazing things that are happening lately. I've been looking, practicing tons of gratitude, raising my vibrations, studying so much about meditation and law of attraction, and I'm just really going all in this stuff, and law of attraction, law of vibration, meditation, praying, and my relationship with God, with purpose with God, and how gold attracts gold, all of that. I got that yesterday. I'm so happy about it, and I can't wait for what the world is going to offer. I can't wait. Every day is so brand new, and everything is so amazing, and I'm just really excited, and I can't wait to see how my progress is gonna be. Like even in like a few months, like this right here, I'm not even joking. I have a feeling, right, that this is gonna be my reality. This is gonna be my reality right here, with Shopify. Like I think that's my new cash cow, my golden goose. But all right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Really does help my channel out. If you guys are new, please subscribe. This has so far 0 subscribers, and that's cool. It's all good. This is more for a diary for me. But thank you guys for watching. Till next time, keep attracting amazing things in your life. Have a good one. Bye bye.